Hi kids.
Hi, Daddy.
Let's do something different today. Let's create your own pizza for dinner.
Yay! I'm gonna do my pizza life.
Alright, so now you see three flatbread in front of you, okay? So you guys each pick one.
Okay.
Alright? Actually, you can pick this one because it's closer to you. And then you can pick the middle one.
Okay.
Alright, so first, pick your favorite sauce.
My favorite is this one. Yes.
Okay, you want the green or the red?
Green.
Okay, you can put it on top.
No, I want to go first.
Alright, do it. Do it smoothly. Just spray it. Not too hot. Yeah, that's right. You got
Can
it.
I get another spoon?
Now you can use up to
Spread it,
add.
Addie.
Do you want the red or you want the green?
Green.
You want the green?
Yeah.
Alright, Nini's almost done.
Actually, green.
You put more on that side. Put more green sauce on that side. Okay. Right, now you can give it to Nana. The spoon. And put cheese on it. You can get as much cheese as you want.
I need a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah, because you want to spread out a little. There you go. You ate one.
That's cool.
Did you eat one?
I ate the sauce because
You want more cheese?
it was on my hand.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
That's good. And now put cheese on it. And Annika, you can put meat.
First, I'm gonna do this.
What kind of meat do you want?
Do you want to make something with it? I'm making a silly face. I mean, a sad
Make a sad face. Why don't you make a happy face?
That's like the cabin.
I'm gonna do this. I'm so fat.
Okay, now I'm done.
Copy.
Is that all you want?
Yep.
I'm done.
You done?
Are you sure? Does not look like enough cheese. You should put some more. And spread it out. Put yours also over here.
How is it? What does that mean? Yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ate one too.
I need a little
That's the
bit
cheese.
more cheese. Good.
Good.
Now you're like, oh! I'm like you. Now I'm like this.
You guys done?
And then how about this?
Alright, now the pizza's ready.
Yeah!
You
Yeah!
wanna try it?
Yeah. Yeah? But it's too hot, so I'm just gonna smell. It smells like cheese.
I mean, it's good. Let me just eat the second one. Good. It's good. Good.
Wow, this is so cheesy.
Whoa, that's the longest cheese string I have ever seen.
Mhm. I don't have a lot of cheese.
But it's okay.
Yeah?
I like the pizza because it's so cheesy, and I love cheese.
And you made it, right?
Yes.
What about you?
I like the roll because it's very tasty.
Oh, okay.
Daddy.
Nini, your turn. I like the pizza because I made it. Knew what?
Yeah, you made it.
I knew they were gonna say that.
Alright, let's do it. Drum roll. Yeah, 6 thumbs up. Yes. Thank you guys.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, there's no 11 thumbs. There are only 6.
Oh, I see the cheese.
Eh.
Ooh, that's a lot of cheese.
Yeah.
So today you guys all get to create your own pizza.
I made just